What is up, guys? It's Killer 33 here, and it's finally here. Prototype 2 tutorial. Yeah, I'm sorry it was so late, but I finally finished it. There's like 2 parts of this, so let me just go quickly on how to install this, all the stuff. So first, you need uTorrent to download the freaking game. How you do that? You go to uTorrent.com. Link is in the description, as always. And then you're gonna need daemon tools. Oh my god! Hold on, something's not right here. Hold on. Sorry about that background noise. Okay, let's go back. You want to go to uTorrent.com or BitTorrent.com. They both work, but they're also both good. I like them. Or you could go to Vooz. Vooz is pretty good. It's not, except not a lot of people know about it. It's awesome. Yeah. You can also stream. It works both. So, next you want to go to daemontools.com. Link will be in the description. I'll throw in this link. Just download Daemon Tools Lite. Yeah. Okay. Computer temporary prototype 2. Okay, and you want to open part A. It's a 2-disc type thingy. And now, come on. Okay, you wanna run install.exe. This is an FLT, that's why. Select your language. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't know how the heck to turn sound on this thing. And then once you got your direction, you just want to click on install. Okay. And I'll pause the video and be back once the install finishes. Just looks like a Steam icon, but it's not Steam. So I'll be back when the installation finishes. See ya. And guys, something I forgot to tell you, I will be doing a complete walkthrough of this game. So will I be doing inversion too. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say for now. Yeah, I'll be back when the install finishes, and also once it asks for the next disc. Okay, guys. Now, as you can see, it asks to insert the next DVD. If you click on OK, it cannot find the next SIM file. So you want to click on No here. And what you want to do is click this button here, the stop button. And you want to click on Mount Image and Part B. You want to click on Part B. Wait for this to be mounted, and you can just cancel the auto run. Oh god. guess I'll have to do this manually. Sorry about this, guys. 8 gigs. Let's go. Yeah, that's about it. I'll try and fix this. I don't know what's up with that, but yeah, guys, I'll see you when the install finishes. Okay, guys, I'm back, and the installation has finished. And as soon as it ends, it'll ask you to apply the crack automatically. You can click yes, you can click no, depending on what you want. I'm gonna click yes because I'm too lazy. I don't know what you want with this. It can be installed later from the disk, so you can later install it. Okay. Let's plot with something C++. Yeah. How did I forget that? It says DirectX may take a while. I still haven't figured out how to shut this thing down. I don't know what's up with it. Try hard, man. Try hard. It's like an infinite error. Okay guys, it's done. As you can see here, so I'm gonna pause the video quickly, and I figured out how to fix this. So if you could just excuse me or something until I finish this, I would be grateful. Okay guys, finally fixed it. So we got hold on, we've got prototype 2. So my games here. No, I'm gonna have to add more games here. Computer D games prototype 2. Yeah, I'll do a separate video just show you how it works. I can't do that in this because I can't guarantee it will work, and I can't have you guys staring for a couple of minutes in a black screen, even if you know what I'm saying. So walkthrough coming soon. Hope you guys enjoy.